This August House of the Provincial Assembly of Sindh, on the momentous occasion of the first anniversary of Marka-e-Haq, resolves as follows. The House bows its head in humility and gratitude before Almighty Allah, whose boundless mercy, wisdom, and blessings guided the nation through a defining chapter of its history, granting strength, unity, and moral clarity in the pursuit of truth and justice. And reverent homage to the martyrs of Marka-e-Haq, whose supreme sacrifice stands as an eternal testament to courage, faith, and patriotism. Their blood has nourished the roots of our national resolve, and their legacy shall forever illuminate the path of honor and sacrifice. The House affirms that the nation shall remain eternally indebted to these heroes and their families. The House places on record its highest appreciation for the valor, professionalism, and unflinching commitment of Pakistan's armed forces and salutes their fearless courage, unmatched professionalism, and prompt, decisive response in defending the sovereignty, honor, and territorial integrity of the homeland with unwavering resolve, and delivering a historic, stunning, and unforgettable blow to the enemy's hostile intent through Operation Bunyanum Marsoos. The House particularly acknowledges the resolute leadership and strategic foresight of Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, Chief of Defence Forces and the Chief of Army Staff, Air Marshal Zahir Ahmad Babar Sidhu, Chief of Air Staff, Admiral Naveed Ashraf, Chief of Naval Staff. The House commends the sagacious leadership of President of Pakistan, Asif Ali Zardari, and Prime Minister of Pakistan, Shehbaz Sharif, for their steadfast resolve, statesmanship, and unwavering commitment to national unity during a critical juncture in the country's history. The House acknowledges the pivotal role played by the political leadership in strengthening national cohesion and presenting Pakistan's principled stand before the world. In particular, the House places on record its appreciation for Chairman Pakistan People's Party, Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, whose tireless diplomatic outreach, articulate advocacy in international media, and leadership of Pakistani delegations across global capitals effectively projected Pakistan's case, strengthened its narrative, and upheld the national dignity on the world stage. The House pays solemn tribute to the visionary leadership of Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, whose historic resolve and foresight laid the foundation of Pakistan's nuclear capability, ensuring the country's strategic balance and national security. The House further honors Shaheed Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto, whose leadership contributed to strengthening Pakistan's strategic deterrence, including advancements in missile technology, reinforcing the nation's defense capability. The House commends the responsible and resilient role of Pakistan's media in informing the public, countering misinformation, and reinforcing national morale. It also recognizes the contributions of civil society in fostering unity, resilience, and a shared national purpose. The House pays tribute to the youth of Pakistan, whose passion, patriotism, and constructive engagement have served as a powerful force in reinforcing national solidarity and shaping a hopeful future. The House applauds the people of Pakistan for the unity, sacrifices, and unwavering support for national institutions, demonstrating that the strength of the nation lies in the collective resolve of its citizens. This House solemnly reaffirms its abiding commitment to the ideals embodied in Marka-e-Haq: truth, justice, unity, and inviolability of Pakistan's sovereignty, and pledges to continue striving for a peaceful, progressive, and prosperous Pakistan. It is further resolved that copies of this resolution be transmitted to the President of Pakistan, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Chairman Senate, the Speaker National Assembly, the Services Chief, and all the provincial assemblies of Pakistan.